Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Mickey Mouse's head. Mickey Mouse is known for, and that is the ears. So that's gonna be, I wouldn't say egg shape, but
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make
make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna
Almost every weekday. So Monday through Friday, I'm gonna be adding constantly. All right, thanks a lot, people. Oh, one last thing. Don't forget to download that free How to Draw Cute ebook. It's an ebook, roughly about 10 pages, and it goes over the proportions of drawing something cute. Because I know I get that a lot, right? I draw normally, but I really, really want to draw adorable stuff from my mind. And if you really want to draw it from your mind, you need to know the structure of doing that. Is there a formula to doing that? What are the commonalities, right? So I go over that in that free ebook, and it's 10 pages. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. It's easy to print. That's totally free in the description. It's free right now. Like I said, it might be a product later on, so download it now if you haven't. So that's pretty much it. That's the first link. And sayonara, guys. I will see you guys really, really soon.